Crystal. My clients want to make a car paint plan, but I don't know how to choose machines for him. Could you please help me?
Okay, we will help you. Okay, today we will solve this question. Car paint can be divided into 3 layers. The bottom layer is car putty, the second layer is primer, and the top layer is our finish paint. If you want to handle car putty because its viscosity is high, so you can choose a double shaft mixer like our FEL. This machine is suitable for high viscosity materials like putty. And if your product is primer, we recommend you use our dispersing machine and FWE sand mill because its viscosity is not very high. And the last, if your product is car finish paint, some customers need to grind it under the 5 micron. So about the dispersing part, you need to choose our dispersing machine, and about the sand mill, you can choose our pin type sand mill like our FBS. Okay, I think now you will know how to choose the machine. If you have any question, you can type it on the comments. Our engineer will reply you. Bye!